Up, Namaste, everyone. ChristianRLong, Life Enhancement Consultant. Giving you guys a big and beautiful shout out. I just made it in time to jump on and do this live stream before we close out for the day. As you know, we do these live streams each and every day of 2019. And we just finished up a 13 and a half hour, Stephen, Atma Namaste, a 13 and a half hour day. Sangeeta, Atma Namaste, at the West Coast Annual Arhatic Yoga Retreat. Ellie, Atma Namaste, how are you, dear? And man, oh man, I don't know which was more fulfilling, the spiritual teachings all day or laughing hysterically with other fellow Arhatic practitioners. It's a tough call. Gina, Atma Namaste. You have a little Bitmoji as your profile picture. That's kind of cute. Yeah, it's just a full day of meditations, full day of healings. We went right by the bay, and we did a disintegrator. So there's different crystals that we use in pranic healing. We have laser crystals, we have disintegrator crystals, we have extractor crystals, all with their different purposes and different functions, right? So we used our disintegrator crystals, which are excellent for psychotherapy and psychological ailments, conditions that deal with the emotional and mental bodies, right? And the Om that you hear in the background right now is an Om of our teacher, Grandmaster Choa Koksui, the modern founder of our Arhatic Yoga and Pranic Healing. And so we went by the bay, and it was 3 people, and we had 30 minutes to work on each other. So each person got 10 minutes of healing in a retreat setting. So there's way, way, way more energy to remove things faster than ever before. So we did that. We watched several videos of Grandmaster Choa. We got a talk by one of the masters on gratitude and thankfulness and how magically that shifts our energies, which is super, super important because whatever you meditate on, you become. So if you meditate on things you're grateful for, what do you get more of? More things to be grateful for. But if you're constantly meditating on what's not working in your life, what's unfulfilling, where you're unhappy in your health, your wealth, your relationships, your spiritual growth and development, you're going to get more of that, right? So it was a beautiful, beautiful reminder of being grateful, being grateful, being grateful. Master Cho calls it counting your blessings. Counting your blessings. So doing that on a regular basis is extremely important. But it's kind of funny. The energies are so strong at these retreats. Malvika, Atma Namaste. The energies are so strong at these retreats that even advanced practitioners, you look over and they're like asleep because the energy is just pouring down, pouring down, pouring down, and it's overwhelming their physical and energy bodies. And so kind of like when we fall asleep, we're rebooting our system, right? So I thought that was really funny. A friend sitting next to me kept nudging me and nudging me and nudging me during one of the meditations because he kept falling asleep. Sangeeta says, trusting the product is trusting the manufacturer. By believing in yourself, you show faith in the wisdom that created you. Sangeeta, that is brilliant. That is brilliant. Somebody take a picture of what you just said and save it and remind yourself because that's really cool. Trusting the product is trusting the manufacturer, which is actually very interesting. Stuart, Atma Namaste. Master Nona, who is one of the 8 pranic healing masters in the world. Hey, Linda, Atma Namaste. Her message to all the Arhatic Yoga practitioners of the retreat in Mahwah, New Jersey was trust the teacher, trust the teacher, trust the teacher. Now, we're not about blind faith. We're not about blind belief. We're about discernment and discrimination. But you have to look at the track record of the person who is giving you the information. Do they have a good track record? Yes. Then take everything that they say as temporary truth, follow it, and then move forward with your life. And so I've noticed as a practitioner of 15 years in pranic healing that the more you can trust the teacher and the more you can lean in to the teacher's energies, the more empowered you become to be a greater instrument of goodwill and the will to do good for others. So that's not basically it because I just jumped on to send out some love. It's a 13 and a half hour day. there's obviously that a lot that we could talk about, and there's many, many levels of teachings to that. And if you keep hearing different ohms and mantras and meditations in the background, that's because somebody's not choosing what thing to listen to. And that's it, guys. So lastly, if you are in need of healing, and we're all in need of healing, that's why I come to these retreats on an annual basis, because they're extremely healing, physically healing, emotionally healing, mentally healing, spiritually healing. And it's a great reminder, because we come to the retreats to remember the teacher and remember the teachings, which are universal, right? So a beautiful experience. So if you are in need of healing, go to ChristianRLong.com/services. It's my name, ChristianRLong.com/services, and schedule a distant pranic healing session. We can help transform you from where you are to where you want to go, faster than you ever imagined possible. And I love each and every one of you very, very much. May God and my teacher, Grandmaster Choa Kuksili, bless your lives on all levels without exception. And I will talk to you very, very soon. This is ChristianRLong, Life Enhancement Consultant, wishing you a beautiful day, a beautiful week, and a beautiful life. Atma, Namaste. Bye-bye.